welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca, the Vexa Boss Lady. We are outside of my house and we are gonna hang all of the stuff we created to get that great Frontgate Grandin Road look on my front porch. So let's get started. As you can see here, I just grabbed some zip ties and I'm gonna take those zip ties and wrap them around the piece so that way I can hang them up on the top of the wall with contact hooks. Now, after I did this, they actually fell when it became freezing, so contact strips did not work out. I'm going to show you what I actually ended up using, which are screw-in type hooks, and that way I was able to hang it from there and it was much more secure than using contact strips. So even though I'm showing you here how I did that, I would not recommend using contact strips outside. When I originally was doing this, obviously I need to take my fall guy down, but when I was originally doing this, I had these hooked up here with contact hooks and they did not work out that way. So what I ended up using, I don't know if you can see it, but I ended up using those like round hooks that you screw into the top, and then I just took the zip ties and tied it up so that is the way that they are secure and hanging up here. They are giving a little bit of a hang and coming up a little bit over the top, which is where I wanted it. And then you can see that it just kind of comes down. Now that it's secure at the top, I'm going to add the left panel in. I've already connected the top left panel, and now I need to connect the right panel and secure the right panel to the wall. I go up and I make sure everything is attached securely for the wind and the snow and the rain and any other ailments that might occur, while also making sure that the big red ornament is poofed out to the front. To make sure the panel is secure to the wall, I'm going to take zip ties and staple them so they don't make big holes. So we're just going to use my staple gun and staple them on the one side, wrap them around the other side, and then tighten them so they are secure against the wall. And let me tell you, this was actually harder than I thought it was going to be, because partially my hand is not very strong for these staple guns, but I was able to get it secured and attached to the wall. All right, once everything is secure, you're gonna go in and add any extra accents or ornaments, pieces that you wanted to add, fill in empty spots, make sure it just looks really lush and decadent on your porch. I may have mentioned in my previous video that I had a friend who gave me several pieces of Garland for free. I think she gave me 5 pieces, which was amazing because it gave me the opportunity to fill these even more than I would have originally. But the one on the left side, I already completed prior to her giving me those. So what I need to do is make sure that they're of equal thickness because I'm a little OCD. And I'm just going to go in and add this garland with the lights along the side to make sure that it looks as full as the right hand side. Now obviously you don't have to do this step, but like I said, I will constantly notice that the one is bigger than the other, and it's just a weird toxic trait I have that I do those kind of things. So, you know, do this or don't, but this is what I ended up doing. Well, here is the finished product. I've got my holly balls out, my candy canes, my porch is done, all the lights are on. It finally came all together. And I hope you like this video. I made it easy for you to do a project just like this with your own home. Subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know if you did something like this to your home in the comments. Everything I used will be in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.